In part 1 of this video series, we learned the stages of labor. In this part, we will learn the 3 phases of the first stage of labor. The first stage of labor is broken down into 3 phases because it is long. These phases are subsections of the first stage of labor. Phase 1. The first phase begins when the contractions become regular and cause the cervix to begin dilatation from 1 centimeter and ends when the cervical dilatation reaches 3 centimeters. This first phase is called the early latent phase. Phase 2. The second phase begins from the time the cervix dilates from 4 centimeters and ends when it dilates to 7 centimeters. This phase is called the active phase. Phase 3. The third phase begins when the cervix dilates 8 centimeters and continues until the cervix is fully dilated at 10 centimeters. This phase is called the transition phase. These 3 phases make up the first stage of labor. Dr. Stella Akpuaka,
Associate Professor of Nursing, University of the District of Columbia Community College.
Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new maternal newborn nursing videos.